Understanding the multifaceted use of like. Verb, to enjoy or be fond of something or someone. To find something or someone pleasant or enjoyable. I really like this new restaurant. She likes spending time with her friends on weekends. Preposition, similar to or resembling. Used to show resemblance or comparison. This fabric feels like silk. He sings like a professional musician. Adverb, approximately or about, informal. Used to give an estimate or to add emphasis, mostly in informal speech. It was like 2 hours long. She's like super excited about the trip. Noun, a preference or something you enjoy. Something that you are interested in or have a taste for. We all have different likes and dislikes. Her likes include reading and hiking. Conjunction, as if or as though. Used to introduce a clause showing a hypothetical situation or comparison. He looked at me like he wanted to say something. It seems like she doesn't want to come to the party. Common phrases, like father, like son, used to say that a son behaves or looks like his father. He's always been hardworking, like father, like son.
It looks like, used to describe an appearance or assumption. It looks like it's going to rain soon.
Act like, to behave in a way that resembles something or someone. Stop acting like a child and be reasonable.
Feel like, to want to do something or have an inclination. I feel like going for a walk.
What's not to like? An expression to emphasize the positive qualities of something. This cake is delicious, easy to make, and cheap. What's not to like?
Derived words. Likeable, pleasant, and easy to like. He's a very likable person who gets along with everyone.
Likewise, in the same way or similarly.
I hope you have a good day. Likewise. Likeness, a similarity or resemblance. There's a strong likeness between the two sisters.